Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden app on Xiaomi. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Xiaomi phones come with a handy privacy feature to help users maintain their discretion, reflecting the increasing emphasis people place on privacy today. Among these features, one that stands out is the ability to hide application. On my previous video, I've shown you how to hide application on your phone, on your Xiaomi phone, and maybe you can't find the application. Now you want to open the application but you can't find that. So how to find your hidden app on your Xiaomi phone? It's so simple. So first of all, there's two ways. First, you can just put your two finger on your home screen like this, and you can just zoom out like this on your screen, and the hidden app will be appear on your screen like this. You can open the hidden app. Or the other way, you can open the security tools on your Xiaomi phone. You can scroll down. On common features section, there is an option hide apps. You can just tap on that. Here's the hidden apps on your phone. You can unhide by tap on the toggle on here. It's so simple, right? So if you want to open your hidden app, you want to find your hidden app, you can just zoom out on your home screen like this. So the hidden app will be up here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find hidden app on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!